Nikea here. As you can see, I'm in a different space. I'm in Harper's room. She has the best natural lights coming through, so I decided to film in here. So yeah, I hope that's better. You know, I like using natural light as much as I can. So I'm here today with a head wrap tutorial for you. So this is all the talking that I'm going to do. So before we do that, go down below. You see that red button that says subscribe? Go ahead and click it and subscribe and join the club. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. So go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Now before we get started in this video, my hair is cornrowed down. Usually when I wear head wraps, I'll either two-strand flat twist because I can't cornrow. My mom did this for me. Y'all can go watch my previous wig video and you can see how she cornrowed. Yeah, thanks mom. So usually, you know, I can't cornrow, so usually I'll just two-strand flat twist, or I'll just put two-strand twists in my hair when I wear a head wrap because it's really not important what's underneath, or I'll put like my hair in a pineapple. But usually I like it laying flat down. And I also will wear a wig cap. So yeah, I'm gonna put my wig cap on. Just a way to protect my hair from the scarf. And then if I do want to show a little bit of my hair, I can pull the wig cap back or whatever. So I'm just going to show you a few ways that I like to wear my head wraps and how I do it. I know there's plenty of other videos out there, but I know I have something to offer y'all that y'all will like. So I'm going to stop talking and let's get into these head wraps. Beauties, those are the head wrap styles that I have to show you for today. That's how I like to wear my head wrap. So I hope that I showed you some different options, different methods, some new ways for you to wear your head wraps. Wear them with pride, okay? All right, because the head wraps once were a time for Black women, African Americans to hide their hair. They were required by law to wear them, but we took that and how they tried to suppress us, and we took that and we wore it as a symbol of pride. So know your history, ladies. Wear your head wraps as a symbol of pride. No matter what's going on up underneath there, if you're deep conditioning, if you don't want to wash your hair, if you're trying to grow your hair out, if you're rocking a twist out underneath there that you don't want to take out until later, wear your head wrap with pride. Don't let anybody shame you or make you feel bad for wearing your head wrap. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. It's professional. It's beautiful. It's amazing. You're beautiful. Wear your head wraps with pride, ladies. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and click on my picture over here so you can go straight to my page and binge watch all my videos, and click these videos on the side to continue to watch. And I will definitely be seeing you in the next one, beauties. Bye.